Friends, today I'll tell you how to make a very easy colored slime and with only 2 ingredients and others are optional. So welcome to my channel. It's my first video, sorry for mistakes. So let's find welcome to my first channel, the Crazy Boy Slime. So today we are going to make slime, easy slime. The main ingredients are a pouch of sunsilk shampoo. You can take more as needed in quantity, and some salt. Don't take ocean salt, normal salt. It's a Tata salt. Others are optional. And food coloring. I'm using here fragrance for a nice smell, but it's optional. Main are sunsilk shampoo and salt. I'm warning you first. Please don't take the salt in too much quantity to turn the slime in. So first step one. Sunsilk. I'll take some sunsilk. Cut it and cut it. I've cut it here and I'll pour it in a beaker and a flask type thing. Just gonna pour it. I poured it in. Slime. So I poured it nicely. So here I have poured the slime. It's pink sunsilk. You can take any type. It's not that you take only one sunsilk. So here I've taken at Signature Champion Ticket. You can take any, but don't take women. It's only for boys. So I'll knew it. So I'll add a fragrance. So I have poured here some sunsilk. I have and some Act Signature perfume I have sprayed. So now I'll mix it nicely. So here it's looking in nice condition. So here I'm warning you. Continue. I'll take a little, only very small. I think a little bit, a half of pinch of salt, and add it. Sprinkle it over the slime solution where we created, and here it is done. It's in thick. So we'll take here some powder for containing the thickness. We're making thick slime for glassiness and radiance. It's looking in this. It may look different, but after refrigerating it, it will get into its condition.
Wow.
So here I've taken it nicely. So it's mixed. It's amazing. So I take here any plain shampoo. You can take any shampoo, just I'm mixing with it because the one pouch of this shampoo gives a nice texture. Take more shampoo here. More as you need in quantity because we have already added salt. As we have mixed it, do you know the name of slime? So our alien slime is ready. Alienelic. Varies, it's nice. A nice texture, it's thick. I'm telling you. We have to take the same quantity of salt again. So I am using a dropper, but we have to take the same quantity of salt last we have taken. It may not appear for you, sorry, because a little bit of salt. So I mix it more nicely. Here, it's nice. It's optional if you want, as the color you want. I'll use it in food coloring. It's golden yellow, few drops of coloring. So I'm using glass color, it gives a good color. So this is a glass yellow golden. I've taken 1 drop of red color. So we have mixed it here. That's in nice condition. We have take, I think it's more water, take more shampoo. Don't need to add more salt. A bit of talcum powder, optional. And then 2 pinches. It's a nice bit. Stir it fast. I'm adding 1 drop of water, but for nice fragrance I'm using rose water. You can use water also. Here I'll mix it again properly, and here it's ready. So I will freeze it for this mixture. May look vary from this mixture. Your mixture will vary from this mixture, but no problem, it's nice. So we will refrigerate it for 5 minutes or 10 minutes. If you are using freezer, use 5 minutes, and if you are using fridge, take 10 minutes. Okay, so I am freezing it. So I am freezing it for 5 minutes. Okay.